Welcome to home screen, and if you want to learn how to add Google search bar on the home screen, first just simply go to your home page or home screen into your device, and now just simply hold an empty space into your home screen, and after that you should be able to see here widget down below. So tap on widgets. Now from here you should be able to use the search bar at the top and just simply search for Google and tap on it. And as you can see, you should be able to see here the Google search bar. So just simply tap on it and just simply touch and hold a widget and should be able to drag it on which page that you prefer. So let's say I'm gonna put it in here. And after that, as you can see right away, we should be able to customize it. We should choose the theme, the transparency, and we should have a shortcut and we could add it. And after that, once you are done, just simply select the back icon on the top left and you should be able to have this search bar over here and you can change the size. I hope this video helped you out. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.